What's that, buddy? You're just gonna play with the ribbon? Look, it's from Auntie Laura, Uncle John, and Aaron and Joe and Allie and Christina. What do you say? Wow, this ribbon's great. You wanna open it instead of just playing with it? And try this side. Look. Bang, bang, bang. You gonna open it? Look. Ah. Oh, you're gonna fix it now? Okay. Get back to that ribbon.
Tata.
All you had to get him was ribbon. Oh, pretty ribbon. Come on, let's open it. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'll take that piece. That's good. Oh, great. 2 pieces. Now we'll be entertained for an hour. Can Mama have that? Thank you. Can Mama have that one? Thank you. Okay. You got a whole bunch right there. Nope, back to the ribbon. Oh, see, all you need to get was ribbon. Come on, buddy. Open your present. Ribbon. Ah, ribbon. Ooh. How about you open this? Yeah, we could be here a while. Ooh. Come on, buddy. Ollie. Careful. Oh. Well, okay. But you're gonna make it fall on the floor. No, you're gonna throw it on the floor. There. Oh, there you go. Yay! Look, more. Yeah! Good job. Look. Look what you got. Yeah. Look. Who's that? Who's that? You need to be gentle. Gentle. George! Can you hold it up and give it? Oh, are you happy? Say thank you. Yay! George. No, gentle. Gotta be gentle. Oh. No.